Hi folks, my name is Mark and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the brand new Travax Venture billfold wallet. So the first thing that you'll notice is our brand new packaging. And sorry everybody for the light, I'm away from the office right now and so I don't have professional camera equipment, so bear with me. But the first thing that you'll notice is this brand new packaging that we have. It's really nice and set for retail. Let's get into the wallet. This is stitched, hand stitched, just like the Ascent wallet. But the difference is this. This is a two-part CNC machined closure mechanism that is totally unique to this wallet. This has been developed in-house and I think this is so awesome. I'll stack this full of cards and show you what it looks like. So here it is. Right out of the gate you can store about 6 or 7 cards in this. It has this drop in the aluminum that makes it so that it instantly has a capacity for cards. No pre-stretching needed. And what you also notice is this spring back here. Now what happens is you could slide 2 or 3 cards in here and this spring would push up against your cards just slightly with an even amount of pressure, and it would help them to stay securely in place. But you can also stick 6 or 7 in and they would be able to slide out just as easily. I'll show you what that looks like. Now with cash in this, this holds up to 20 bills. And there are 2 ways that you can use this mechanism. You can either pull down on it to open up your billfold, or you can push a card out. What that does is it makes it so that the wallet is locked closed. And if I put my finger here in the middle of the wallet and try to open it up, you can see that it's locked closed because of this indentation magnetically clasping in to this lip of aluminum. There's a contrast between this folded edge of leather down here and this edge of gripped metal that really feels nice. It feels like a mix between an old classic billfold that you're used to, but also something new. You can stick cards in here as well. So this is how I have mine set up. On the back here is an industrial stitching, as well as black oxide machine screws and the Travax engraving right there in the front. What's neat about this wallet is that when you use it like a billfold, you can just close it and it kind of automatically finds its way back to closure. And you don't really have to align anything. Now I'll show you what this looks like going into a back pocket. This is definitely going to be more of a back pocket wallet. It's the size of a billfold in terms of its width, and I mean you could definitely use it as a front pocket, but this is really designed so that it emulates a billfold like what you're used to. And you know, the difference is just how slim it is. It's very sleek and very slim. So this is Travac's American manufacturing and innovation at its finest. This new venture billfold is one of the more innovative wallets that we've come up with. It feels secure, it feels like it's going to last, and it feels like very high quality. This is our top grain leather, and it's made with one of our nicest leathers. It's engraved right here with our logo, and feels really good in the hand. I think that you all are going to love this wallet. Thanks for coming along with me with this unboxing, and I'll talk to you soon.